Wow, this edition of the Concurs de Castells has just started, and we're about to see the first monster of the day, a 3 of 10 with a triple base.
And it's going to come from Castellers de Vilafranca. Please pay attention to the silence that right now 15,000 people here in Taracorena Plaza are paying to this tower, to this monster, as just Albert said. This is a 3 of 10 triple base. It would be the first time to see it completed in Concurs de Castells, because until 2 years ago, seeing this tower completed was really rare. Although the last year and this year, it's become, a couple of teams have been able to get a very good command on this 3 of 10, 7th level already in place, and seems good.
And you have to pay attention to the work of combination with this triple base, the first base, the second base, and the auxiliary base. That is the key for supporting that tower.
And the pair has already reached its position, and it looks like they're gonna succeed, although we still have kind of 20 seconds left. But there's the bending child. We're just one level away from success.
That is the most important moment.
There goes the Anchaneta, the crowner, 1 step, 2 steps, and here we go, the first
Chief.
10-level tower. And if they don't get nervous, they are very, very likely to succeed completing it.
It looks quiet. It looks quiet. They just have to work hard now, and they are about to achieve it.
Yeah, because the pair is already out of their position, and the tower seems very, very safe. Let's say it again. For the first time, a 10-level tower is going to be completed in the Tarragona Concurs de Castells. This is a historic moment, the first of many that we're going to live for sure today. But as you can see, Vilafranca supporters are now going crazy because this is a great, very great start.
And now you will see the happiness that awakes to them. Look, look.
Of course, now it's great to see how they dismantle this spectacular triple base.
There are hundreds of people.
More than 30 people on the third base. Around 80, 90 people on the second base, and
everybody else.
And countless people on the bottom base. And of course, this is a moment of joy. All the pressure now goes to Colla Bella, Chiques de Valls, the outsiders, because Vilafranca have started with a really, really good point. 3 of 10, triple base completed.